Hello everyone, welcome to Best Brand Picks by SustainCart. At SustainCart, we carefully audit the brands as we onboard them and continue to keep a check on the quality measures to ensure happy shopping experience for all our customers. We discovered a clean, green, cruelty-free skincare brand, Slowa. Makes smart skincare choices. Clean skincare made out of clean ingredients is their philosophy. The products you put on your skin should work without exceptions, right? At Slowa, they develop innovative blends that truly support and nourish your skin functions. Slowa skincare formulas are clean, effective, and are backed by scientific research. They believe skincare should not be a mystery. They share all their facts with you to uncover the truth of healthy skincare. Their products are safe, effective, clean, paraben-free, cruelty-free, environmental friendly. Skincare should support your skin's health and not cure your skin. There are many factors that can inhibit skin's health and balance functionality, such as the foods you consume, environmental toxins, and the products we decide to use on our skin. Slowa's formulary philosophy, their science. They follow the truth, not what's popular. Their formulas are supported and verified by extensive research that they share with you at every step. Highly effective formulas. They don't promise miracles, but deliver results. They formulate active ingredients in appropriate concentration and stable pH levels, which are very important to one's skin. This is my favorite, cruelty-free. They never test on animals at any stage of product development or testing and never will. They're proud to be Leaping Bunny certified. Their USP and best ingredients are, I personally feel you all must know about these ingredients when you check for your skincare and understand what they do to your skin. First one, hyaluronic acid. This is found naturally in one's skin. Hyaluronic acid holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water to retain skin moisture. Adding hyaluronic acid in skin helps the production of collagen and its ability to hold water. Vitamin E. Healthy skin starts with vitamins. Do you agree? Apart from being nutrient-rich, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight free radicals and other toxins in the environment. Topical application of vitamin E also boosts skin nutrient levels and reduces stretch marks. Next is witch hazel. This plant with potent medical properties is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Topically applying witch hazel on sensitive skin will treat inflamed, irritated, or broken skin. It acts as an astringent to help shrink pores, and its anti-inflammatory properties effectively fight acne. Vitamin A. This stimulates new cell production, and topical application treats acne and also stimulates collagen production and reduces wrinkles. Carotenoids in vitamin A prevent cell damage and premature aging as well. Nourishing oils. Rich in beauty-boosting nutrients and antioxidants, nourishing oils like jojoba, olive, and almond penetrate deep into your skin for maximum nourishment. They are antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, analgesic, hypoallergenic, and anti-inflammatory. French lavender. French lavender helps reduce redness, blotchy patches, and acne scarring. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it great for soothing and healing skin that's irritated or reddened. Clay. Clay is cleansing and detoxifying agent that helps in clearing blemishes, thus leaving skin with a brighter complexion. Plant stem cells. Plant stem cells play a pivotal role in visibly repairing and rejuvenating the skin. Plant stem cells deliver anti-aging solutions, defend against free radicals, and promote skin rejuvenation. Slowa has 3 best-selling products that I would like to talk about. The first one is hydrate. By harnessing the powers of hyaluronic acid and other ingredients, these new Gen Wrinkle Reduction Capsule works against wrinkles, fine lines by hydrating the inner layers of the skin. When applied, Hydrates forms a protective layer on the skin surface to shield it from UV rays, atmospheric and domestic pollution. Second one is Refresh. Refresh is formulated to boost skin moisturization and vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. Powered with oils like shea butter and olive as well as potent herbs like witch hazel, Refresh softens and relaxes the skin. Luxurious ingredients present in this cream provide ample nutrition and aids in restoring a healthy balance of the skin. The third one is Glow. This product is designed to deliver more energized and healthier skin. It supports wrinkle reduction, brightening skin tone, and in reducing elasticity. Glow has many nourishing oils such as jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and olive oil that keeps skin radiant, moisturized, and protected for many hours. Since SustainCart has audited the product, we recommend that you try the sustainable brand Slowa. Slowa is now available on SustainCart. Next time, we will bring to you another sustainable and genuine brand on the Best Brand Picks by SustainCart. Until then, take care. See you all soon. Signing off, Shilpa Reddy.